This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Lynn Johnson. Updated home with a bright and open floor plan situated on a corner fence lot in the City of Maryville. Recent updates include HVAC, LVP flooring in main living areas and freshly painted. Original hardwoods in all 3 bedrooms. Spacious kitchen with lots of cabintets. Situated in a highly rated school district. Super convenient to shopping, dining and Everett Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn Johnson at 865-693-1111.